Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TED Talk Daily, the podcast where we make learning English easy, practical, and actually enjoyable. I'm Lucy.
Hi, Lucy, and hi to all of you out there. Whether you're driving, walking, cooking dinner, or just relaxing, how are you today, Lucy?
I'm fantastic, thank you. Last week was crazy busy. I had work, family stuff, and I even squeezed in some English practice. But it was a good busy. How about you?
Same here. I always say, busy is better than bored, and that brings us perfectly to today's big topic. Don't waste your time. We're going to talk about how to stop wasting hours every day, especially when learning English. But really, these ideas work for your whole life.
Yes, time is the only thing we can't buy more of, so let's use it wisely. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying the podcast, please hit that like button, subscribe to TED Talk Daily, turn on notifications, and share this episode with one friend who wants to improve their English. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much. Okay, Lucy, let's start simple. What does wasting time actually mean?
It means spending hours on things that don't help you grow, don't make you happy in the long term, or don't move you towards your goals. Classic examples: scrolling TikTok or Instagram for 3 hours straight, watching TV shows you don't even like, or just sitting and thinking, what should I do now, while the day disappears.
I'm guilty of the phone thing. You open it to check one message, and suddenly it's midnight.
We all are. But today we have practical, super simple tips so you can take control of your time and skyrocket your English at the same time.
Let's go step by step. What is the very first tip?
Tip number 1, make a tiny daily plan. I'm talking really tiny. Not a 2-page list that scares you, just 1 or 2 sentences every morning.
Give us examples.
Sure. You can say, today, I will learn 5 new English words and use each one in a sentence. Today, I will listen to 1 English podcast episode while I drink my coffee. Today, I will watch 1 10-minute YouTube video in English. That's it. 5 words. 1 episode, 1 video.
Why so small?
Because big plans kill motivation. If you write learn 50 words and finish 3 lessons, you probably won't do it. Then you feel bad. Then you quit. But 5 words? You can do that in the bathroom mirror while brushing your teeth.
And when you finish, you feel like a winner.
Exactly. Small win. Happy feeling. You want to do it again tomorrow. That's how habits are born.
Perfect. Tip 1, tiny daily plan. What's tip 2?
Tip 2, use your dead time. Those little pockets of 3 to 15 minutes we all have every day.
Dead time.
Yes. Waiting for the bus or train. Waiting in line at the supermarket or bank. Waiting for food to heat up in the microwave. Waiting for a friend who's always late. Brushing your teeth. Walking the dog. Those moments usually disappear on our phones.
So what should we do instead?
Turn them into English time. Open a flashcard app and review 5 words. Do 1 quick Duolingo or Quizlet lesson. Listen to a short English story or song. Repeat useful phrases out loud. How's it going? Not much. What's new with you?
I started doing this on the bus. 10 minutes there, 10 minutes back equals 20 minutes of English every workday. In 1 month, that's more than 10 hours.
Exactly. 10 minutes a day, x 365 days, 3,650 minutes. They are more than 60 hours a year. Imagine what 60 extra hours of practice can do for your speaking or vocabulary.
Those small moments really add up.
They do, and you don't feel like you're studying hard. You're just using time you already have.
Tip number 3. I think I know this one.
Make it fun. If learning English feels like punishment, you will avoid it. If it feels like play, you'll look forward to it every day.
So how do we make it fun?
Find activities you already love and do them in English. Love cooking? Watch Tasty or Binging with Babish in English. Love gaming? Change your phone and game language to English. Play story games like The Last of Us or Genshin Impact. Love K-pop or Latin music? No problem. There are millions of English songs too. Pick what you like.
I'm a huge music guy. Every week I choose one English song, look up the lyrics on genius.com, translate the parts I don't understand, and sing it all week. My pronunciation and rhythm have improved so much, and my neighbors probably hate me now.
Same with movies and series for me. I started with Harry Potter because I already knew the story. Then Friends, The Office, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Now I watch new releases with English subtitles only. It's entertaining and educational.
You can also read easy books, graphic novels, children's books, or graded readers, or follow English-speaking YouTubers who talk about your hobbies, fitness, makeup, cars, travel, whatever.
The rule is simple. If you enjoy the activity in your language, you'll enjoy it in English too. And you'll learn twice as fast because your brain is relaxed and happy.
So quick recap of the 3 golden tips. Tiny, daily plan. Use dead time, small moments, make it fun.
And here's the exciting part. These same 3 tips work for everything in life, not just English.
Tell us the real story you promised.
Okay, get ready. This is the story of my friend Sophia from Colombia. 2.5 years ago, Sophia was 28, married, with a 4-year-old son, and a full-time job as a secretary. She spoke very little English and dreamed of becoming a customer service agent for an international company because the salary was double.
Classic story. Big dream, zero time.
Exactly, she always said, I wish I had 2 hours a day to study, but with the kid, cooking, cleaning, work, impossible. One day she got tired of complaining and decided to try the tiny plan idea.
What did she do?
Rule number 1, every single day, no matter what, she had to do exactly 15 minutes of English. Not 14, not 16, 15 minutes. She set a timer.
Only 15 minutes?
Yes. Some days she woke up 15 minutes earlier and did memrise in bed. Some days she did it during lunch break at work. Some days after her son fell asleep, she watched one episode of Peppa Pig in English with him. That counted because she was listening and repeating.
Peppa Pig University?
Exactly. She used small moments everywhere. While cooking arepas, English podcast in one ear. While folding laundry, English songs and singing along. Waiting to pick up her son from kindergarten, flashcards on the phone.
And the fun part?
She loves romantic comedies and Korean dramas. So she started watching them with English subtitles, then later with no subtitles. She also found a language exchange partner on HelloTalk and chatted 5 to 10 minutes a day with a girl from Canada. They became real friends.
What happened after a few months?
After 4 months, she could understand 70 to 80% of movies without subtitles. After 8 months, she passed the company English test and got the new job. Salary doubled. Her boss was shocked at how fast she improved.
And now?
Now, 2 years later, she speaks fluently, travels with her family to the US every year, reads English books to her son at night, and even started a small Instagram page teaching Colombian mothers simple English phrases. She says the secret was never missing her 15 minutes. Because it was so small, there was no excuse.
That's incredible. From zero time to fluent in 2 years, just with tiny habits.
and she told me something beautiful. Before, I went to bed feeling guilty because I wasted the evening on my phone. Now I go to bed proud, even if I only did 15 minutes. Those 15 minutes changed my family's life.
Wow, real proof that small steps done consistently beat big plans you never start.
Exactly. So let's bring these tips to everyday life. For fitness, don't say, I'll go to the gym 1 hour every day. Say, I'll do 10 push ups every morning right after brushing my teeth. For reading, I'll read 1 page before sleep. For family, I'll call one relative every Friday evening for 10 minutes.
And make the hard things fun. Hate running. Put on your favorite playlist and dance walk. Hate vegetables? Find delicious recipes on English cooking channels. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Perfect.
One big question people always ask, what about rest? Is lying on the couch scrolling Netflix wasting time?
Great question. Intentional rest is not wasting time. Your body and brain need to recharge. Sleeping 7 to 9 hours, taking a 20-minute nap, sitting quietly with a cup of tea, that's charging your battery.
But mindless scrolling for 4 hours while feeling bad about it, that's wasting time.
Exactly. The difference is intention. Ask yourself, is this relaxing me or just numbing me? If it's relaxing and you planned it, great. If it's just habit and you feel empty after, maybe choose something better.
I feel so motivated right now. Starting tomorrow. Wake up, tiny plan on my phone, 5 new words, plus 15 minutes podcast. Use every small moment on the train. Evening, 1 episode of my favorite series in English. For fun.
So, don't waste your time doesn't mean never relax. It means choose on purpose. A little work, a little learning, a little fun, a little rest. Balance.
Your poor neighbors again?
They'll survive. Listeners, we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, what is one tiny thing you will start tomorrow? What is your favorite fun way to practice English? Or share your own success story like Sophia.
We read every comment and often reply. You're not alone in this journey.
And if this episode helped you even a little bit, please subscribe, share it with one friend, and leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow so we can keep making free episodes for you.
Thank you for spending your precious time with us today. Remember, you don't need more time. You just need to use the time you already have a little bit better.
Small steps every day. You've got this.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.